Hey folks, this is Riyadh from Mannlee. Mannlee is the leading door and window manufacturer in the world. Mannlee provides different types of doors like aluminum doors, pivot doors, invisible doors, solid doors. Mannlee also provides windows like bifold windows, fixture windows, skylight windows and so on. You can customize your product based on your requirements. In the last 20 years, Mannlee has done more than 1,50,000 projects successfully. Today I am introducing you to a new premium solid wood door. This is very smooth and firm wooden door. This is prepared for your house. This is made from high quality solid wood door for superior strength. The customer often complain about the traditional wood doors because it's low quality and it's not rust resistant. Our solid wood doors are free treated and rust resistant, giving you classic beauty without the hassle. Please feel free to reach out to Mannlee. Thank you.